About the constructor, actually we can also add a default value here by using another constructor. So we copy this one and then we delete this. We cannot have exactly the same constructor. What I mean is we cannot have the same number of fields, but you can create a constructor with different number of fields, and then we create the default value by using this, and then we set the price at 18, and then the size is big. Then this will automatically refer to this constructor, and then we can go to the main and we try to delete the value inside this bracket, and we run again. Now you can see since the price is 18, when we add 2, the price becomes 20. Now we can go to the foot and we can add one more constructor which can let you more flexible to define an object. For example, we can create another constructor, and then we can allow the user to set the price. So we use the integer price, and then this is price. So the default value is big, but the price is flexible. So now we can try to set the new food, and the price is 25, and then we can also try to get the size too, and also get the price. Now this is 25, the value should be 27 after adding the price. So now we run the program, and now you can see the price is increased to 27 and the size is big, and the price of course is still 27.